Europe has been a huge opportunity for me. I wanted to learn about how to get into college and how college works.
Gear Up has made the road easier for us, for first-time parents, first generation, and they have everything like field trips, workshops. We even experienced a weekend and on campus, so it was like really good for us parents to see and enjoy.
I'm here today because I was actually a Gear Up student, my 7th grade, and then they followed me all the way to my senior year of high school. And then after high school, I graduated in 2016 from Cal State Northridge, majored in kinesiology. They want to make sure you reach your full potential.
Gear Up, not just academically, but like personally, they really supported me. I didn't know my path, and I truly believe that if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have the grades that I have right now. I wouldn't have the mentality that I have right now. They were definitely an amazing help for me, and I'm so grateful that I've had them throughout these past 6 years of my life.
It's not about what you know, it's about what you do. It's not about your IQ, it's about your I will. It's not about how much smarts you have, it's about how much heart you have. The Gear Up team is phenomenal. I'm so thankful to be a partner. And I just want to let you to know I'm working every day as hard as I can to make sure that we can actually be the person we want to be.
Es algo muy bonito que estamos haciendo, es algo que estamos dando a la comunidad y lo más hermoso es que crean que sí se puede. Sí se puede.
Yo creo que sin Gear Up no tuviéramos la oportunidad de conocer talleres, oportunidades, conocer universidades, ayuda financiera. Yo me siento maravillosa al haber conocido el programa de Gear Up.
I think it's really important for the kids to lay a foundation. That's one of the things that Gear Up is, basically knowing that they have the support, that they have resources. I think a lot of the kids, what we've seen over time and just, from experience is that they go through this process feeling like they're alone, and when things get tough, not always reaching out. And so one of the things I really tried to emphasize was that there is an abundance of resources, and that's why we're here, to give them that support. We wear these shirts that say Gear Up Works, right? But that's just a hashtag until you actually have students that have gone through it and are able to impart that information back to the current students that are from the same school, same experience.
Don't miss this opportunity, and this is honestly the best thing that could happen to you. The support that you get, it's unbelievable. Like, you'd really be missing out on an amazing program if you don't join.